Guys, I almost got poisoned. My tongue got yellow because I drank a lot of Mountain Dew, and after that my tongue got yellow. But I almost been poisoned and die. Like I so speed that he almost died, but he did not. But I survived because my tongue got yellow and it got back to white because I drank water and also brushed my tongue and. Yeah, the Mountain Dew was a soda, so I drank it, and my tongue got yellow. And I also vomit. I don't know why, but I vomit because of the Mountain Dew. So let me show you, guys. It's gonna be here. This is the Mountain Dew. So let's go to the toilet. My slipper got wet. Sorry, guys, because I just brushed my teeth. And it got gone. So you see the toothpaste. That is the toothpaste, and I spit it on so I can feel well now. So guys, I was so creeped out because I just threw my parents' slipper because I was about to crash out because I couldn't even open it. So I threw it in the floor, and then I drank it, and it got poisoned. I did not know what. I did not care. I just drank it, but I did not know that my tongue was getting yellow, and I vomited. I vomited on the there. Oh my god. Yuck, that is so gross. No, wait. I vomited and I swallowed it. Because I ate kare-kare. I ate kare-kare. Here's the kare-kare. I ate kare-kare, but that was so good. I love it so much, but the chapati, I love it. But I don't like it with cheese whiz because cheese whiz is my favorite, but the peanut butter is most. I eat bread. I don't know what else, but I ate a lot. That is my favorite, like eggplant. Is that string beans? And then guys, I smell nuts. I forgot to shout out. Hello, well, my dad does not care about me. Oh, he is watching. I will show you the camera that I had. So here is the camera. I hope my parents don't watch because I have my own TV. I was alone, guys, with no one, and my dad and mom are at work today. So I had to post this one. It goes viral. I thought so. Please don't steal, guys. Bye.